Hi everyone, welcome to Kidoscope. I'm glad to see you here. Um, as I have discussed earlier regarding the phonetics, so there is always a generation gap between parents and kids. So our learning is different from our kids' learning. So learn, unlearn, and relearn to teach our kids. So let us start with phonics letter yes. And why I am starting with phonics letter yes. I will make another video regarding that topic. So let's go ahead with letter yes. So always a fun way to teach kids is through conversation. So that's why I have put in there here. So every animal, whether it is a dog, cat, or elephant, or duck, has unique sound. Like dog make. What sound does the dog make? It's bow bow bow. Right? What sound does the cat makes? Meow meow meow. So likewise, so just this is an example where kids can relate an animal to its sound. Likewise, every letter has its unique sound. So for example, letter S will make sound assassin, snake, snail, snow, song, salt, likewise. So let us see a sound that goes with the sound. So songs and games, conversations, I mean role play is kids' favorite. So later, yes, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So when we enact this with a snake shape with our hands, the kids will enjoy it. So let us introduce some words with letter S, and the beginning sound of these words is S. So when we say these words, we can take a printout of this and practice with them or whatever the household objects that start with S sound. We can introduce them. For example, in our kitchen, we will have salt, sugar, spoon, saucer. So, not exactly they have to sit and learn alphabet or letters, sounds. So, we can make them learn while they're playing the game or while they are in the kitchen behind us while we are cooking, they will be there in the kitchen. So, we can introduce like that. For example, here ship, seat, sunflower, star, snake, spider, snake. We can ask them to recognize it. What is the beginning sound of ship? If this is so, which letter makes the sound? These two questions repeatedly if we ask them for every word capture sure. So for example, let's say sunflower is a beginning sound. So if we say s, it's a that will make s sound. Let's say they will relate it to the so another funny way to teach kids is as by the kid and myself enjoy can play their work. So as by with my little eyes, go and get me one object or something that start with this. So we can get a spoon or the kid is doing a little we can do this. It will taste salty, very sweeter one we use in sweets. like that we can do student. So as per view for phonics, it will help the different vocabulary. Something that start with this, something with the something that is something in square shape. So we can teach many things with iceberg. Watching. It's like subscribe this family.